In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailerlite. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and open the main dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Sites. From there, choose the Landing Pages tab. This is where you'll manage existing pages and create new ones. Next, click New Site, or if you see the option, Create New Landing Page. Mailerlite will then ask you to give your page an internal name. This name is mainly for your own organization, so make it something clear and easy to recognize later. After that, click Save and Continue. Now you'll choose the subscriber group where new signups from this landing page should be added. This part is important because it keeps your contacts organized and ensures new leads flow into the right segment of your email list. Once you've selected the correct group, click Continue. At this point, Mailerlite gives you a few ways to build the page. You can build with AI, start from scratch, or choose one of the pre-designed templates. The best option depends on how much control you want and how quickly you want to get the page live. Templates are great if you want a strong starting point, while starting from scratch gives you full flexibility. Once you're inside the editor, begin customizing your landing page using the drag and drop builder. You can add and edit headings, body text, images, buttons, sign-up forms, videos, testimonials, and other content blocks. As you build, focus on making the page clear and easy to scan so visitors immediately understand the offer. Be sure to add a sign-up form so you can collect visitor information like a name and email address. Double check that the form is connected to the right subscriber group so new contacts are stored correctly. After that, customize the overall design. Adjust fonts, colors, spacing, backgrounds, and any other style settings to match your brand. It's also a good idea to preview the page on different screen sizes so it looks polished on both desktop and mobile. Next, open the page settings. Here you can configure the page URL or domain, upload a favicon, update SEO settings, and adjust social sharing details. If needed, you can also add analytics or custom code. Before publishing, preview the page carefully. Test all buttons and links, and submit the sign-up form with a test email to make sure the subscriber is added to the correct group. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish. You can publish using a Mailerlite domain or connect a custom domain. Once it's live, your landing page will have its own shareable URL. Finally, open the page's overview or analytics section to monitor visits, submissions,